In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, there's a peculiar plant known as the dancing fern. Unlike any other, this fern sways rhythmically to the sound of nearby water, even when there's no breeze. Scientists discovered that its movements are a response to ultrasonic frequencies emitted by certain insects. This quirky dance not only deters pests, but also attracts pollinators, making it a master of survival. Imagine a plant that grooves to its own beat, all thanks to nature's hidden symphony. Intrigued? Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating tales from the natural world.